In this nature-inspired project, you'll create a twig bar necklace using a real twig and silver clay. You'll start by choosing a twig from nature that you'd like to capture in precious metal. From there, you'll create a silicone mould and then use that mould to create a perfect silver clay replica. You'll file and finish your piece before soldering on the jump rings and chain and polishing to a shine. The key techniques we'll cover in this project are silicone mould making, working with silver clay, filing and finishing techniques, either by hand or with a pendant motor, silver soldering, and polishing. This project is broken down into 10 easy-to-digest narrated video lessons plus bonus technical tutorials. You can follow this project at your own pace, and if you want to take a break, the progress bar will keep track of where you are so you can pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench and a full tools and materials list with supplier links. And if you get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm here to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.